We've always worked with Satcom Direct really from the start, and there is no better support. We are a 135 charter operator based out of California. We have a fleet of mixed between mostly Global Expresses and Gulfstream 4s. We have everything from high net worth business people to A-list movie stars that come fly with us. We try to give them the best and most seamless experience as possible. And of course, internet. They do want Wi-Fi and internet, and they want it to work all the time. You are still whizzing around at 200 plus knots in the sky between satellites, but it has become, especially over the last few years, a requirement basically to get any clients that you do have good Wi-Fi on your aircraft. Plain simple, in my own words, would be the market-leading KU technology out there. Once the wiring was there, it was plug and play, which is what everyone strives for. Unlike other KU systems, you do not need an antenna peaking, is a huge benefit. And the fact that there are only 2 units to physically install on the aircraft makes a big difference. It worked from the start. With the plain simple, the tap is wide open all the time. You just pay for your data and that's your limitation. Also, SD's own hardware, so it's your own antenna, your own modem, which means the support will always be there. The support that we get on a day-to-day basis, it means that I know that there's someone there who will help me whenever I have an issue. And whenever there are issues, it just wants to find whatever it is and figure it out as quickly as possible so that we can go back to doing what we're supposed to be doing. A lot of these other companies that sell the hardware, they're only really interested in selling you the hardware. They don't really care about the support. Thanks to Satcom Direct and your entire support team, because you're doing an excellent work, and we as the end customer really, really appreciate you being there. Outstanding service and support.